In the southern part of the Scandinavian peninsula lies a great pond. The clear brown water is inhabited by great birds. Close by lies the Great Plains. But never mind the plains and the birds, because close by lies my workshop. Sometimes when I work hard, I get visitors, very unsuspecting, but they are cute, and they should not be inside there. But this video is about renovating my car, so let's skip this Attenberg thing and get to work. Hello and welcome to my car series. And first and foremost, I've been trying to record with my phone, but the sound got distorted with this setup I have here. And so I adjusted my new setup to my GoPro, and because it's more optimized to handle a microphone and a power bank at the same time. So that's what we've been doing now. To the car, we've been doing a lot of stuff. I will show you a bit what we've been doing, some pictures maybe and some videos, because I've been recording a lot with my phone, and I noticed that the sound was really bad. It was like a wind noise in the background, so I hope it will work now with this setup. What we've been doing, I will take you through it now. So here's my Volvo 940 classic car, which I'm renovating. I'm just shooting with you, no more Attenberg, I said. Yes, I know the seats is on the roof. I decided to remove them to check the rust under the carpet, and I was right. It was pretty damn wet and rusty down there. And I will have to find some space to put my seats somewhere. Yeah. And let's continue watching. I'm just kidding with you. Enough with this dubstep ambience stuff. Yeah. Peekaboo! As you guys can see, pretty much everything is out at this point. So until next time, I hope I can make this video a bit more personal with you guys. But as I said before, the audio got pretty bad. So I take this with you now, and you can see we grinded a lot. We removed some of those sealant, those thick sealant, and of course I grinded a lot, at least 50 hours at least, and yeah. course, all these holes we are gonna weld later to that beam, you know. It's raining pretty much outside. As you know, it's raining. I can take a bit with my mini pencil here. In those crevices. We can fill it up a bit. Alright guys, this became more or less like an introduction to this little series of mine. And we will of course do more in the future. A lot of clips went unused and it was not very personal, but it will be in the future. But I still hope you enjoy this little video of mine, and see you in the next one, my fine folks.